Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful infinity bracelet. For this, we are using different colors of small scrunchies. So now let's see how to do them. Take one dark color, place here, twist and place it on the second finger here like this. Next take the same color and place it on the top like this. Next you're going to place this on the top here like this. Next you take any light color, place it on the second finger like this. Next take a dark color, place it on the top. Next place this light color inside like this and bring this bottom to the top like this. So you'll repeat this. Next take the light color, place it on the second finger like this. Take a dark color and place it on the top. Bring this here and the bottom part here. So you are going to do them till the required size of the bracelet you want. So keep the next on the second finger. Place the dark color on the top. Bring this light color inside and this bottom part on the top. So take the light color and place it on the second finger. Bring the dark color and place it on both the fingers. Bring the light color in the middle. Then this dark color on both the sides on the top. So it looks like this. We are going to do them till the required size you want. After doing them, it looks like this. Next you can so this black color here, you'll place it in the second finger here. Next take the dark color, place it on the finger. So you'll place this on the top like this. Next this one, twist it like this and place it in this finger. Place the dark one here. Bring this light one on the top. Bring this bottom on the top. You will repeat this. Take the next one, twist it and place it in this first finger. Bring the dark color on both the fingers. Bring the light one inside and this dark one. So twist this, place it in this finger. Bring the dark color on both the fingers. Bring this light one inside and this dark. So it will come like this, like infinity. So you will continue them till this end. So next you'll take this, twist it, place it in the first finger. Take the dark color and place on both the fingers. Bring this light one inside, then this bottom part here. So you are going to repeat them till the end. So after doing them, the bracelet will look like this. So next take one dark color. I'm going to insert it so the bracelet looks like this. Next you can join them. So this is how the infinity bracelet looks. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.